everyone. Into this session, we are going to discuss about the units. For example, into the AutoCAD, which kind of unit that we can able to use it. So, for that, I'm draw a one line. For example, when I specify any kind of a number, it will tag as a unit. For example, 70, 75, 80, 100. So, it will give you the indirect scale. For example, right now I give a 50 number as a dimension. Escape. I will specify the dimension here. Here you can see it's a 4 dash 2 double dash. But before apply the dimension command, I give the value 50. So how it possible that the dimension will reflect into this inch? So that's we will discuss into this session. I delete this. For specifying the unit, we have two ways. One, you can see there is a one AutoCAD symbol are here. When you go to this menu, you will able to find new, open, save as, and into this you will find a drawing utilities. Into the drawing utilities, you will find the units as a third option. You first select it, you will go to this drawing units. But if you directly jump into the drawing unit, you simply type the command UN and enter. It will pop up a one window. It is called as the drawing units. Here we can able to see length, angle and insertion scale. Into the length, we can able to supply different type of length. For example, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific, architectural. By default, it will as a decimal. If you wish to go to the engineering length, you will select it. If you wish to go for the fractional, you will go to select it. So what is the difference between these length types? For example, when you select architectural, at that time you will see into the precision window, you will get a fractional amount. For example, 0, 1-2, 1-4, 1-8, 1-12, 1-16, 1-32. When you select decimal command, at that time you will get 0.0, 0.00 dash. When you select engineering, you will get double dash, double dash. That means as per your conveniency, you will select the type. If you wish to go to the inch and foot, you will must select engineering. If you go to the millimeter or centimeter, you must select the decimal point. It doesn't mean that you cannot able to select the millimeter centimeter into the engineering command. It is possible. Into the fraction, you will see 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. Actually, it is a precision. When you select the proper length type, for example decimal, here you need to select the insertion scale where you can specify the dimensions. For example, inch, feet, US survey feet, miles, millimeter, centimeter and so on. Right now into the decimal type, I am selecting a millimeter. Here comes angle. When you select the angle type, you will see decimal angle, degree, minute, second, grads, radian, surveys units. By default, it is a decimal degree. Mostly, when we select it, it will select this decimal degree. Here, if the degree is in a point, you will go to the 0, 0 dash dash, 0, 0.000, you will select it. when you give the dimension and when you give the angle, it will by default angle is in the anti-clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction. But if you want angle in a clockwise direction, you must select this clockwise direction. Okay. Now the setting is that I'm selecting the decimal. My precision is 0.00. I want a 2 decimal value after the point. Into the angle, I'm selecting decimal degree, and the precision value is 0. I don't want any kind of a degree in a point decimal. And insertion scale is millimeter. Now I select OK. Now I type the line command and draw a line by give the value of 50. The insertion scale is mm, so it will take by default value is 50 mm. But here is the catch. Why it will not reflect 50? Because into the dimension style manager we select engineering format. So that's why it will reflect here into the 4 feet and 2 inch. 4 feet 2 inch means what? 50 is equal to 48 plus 2, and 48 is equal to 4 feet. So that's why it will deflect here is a 4 feet and 2 inch. I'm just simply change here from engineering to decimal degree. Here I'm select from engineering to decimal and click OK and close. So I simply change the format of the drawing template. Whenever you change the unit, it will by default reflect into the system, into the interface, but whatever unit is displayed here, it will reflect by the dimension manager into the unit format. Okay. Now whenever you give the dimension, how, for example, I give the 25, okay, and I specify the dimension, it will reflect by the decimal point. Okay. For example, right now if I'm give for example 36, and I will show the dimension by the dimensions manager, and I'm changing the format from decimal to engineering, it will give you the 3 feet. Let me show you. Here into the modification style standard, into the primary units, when I select engineering, at that time you will see the unit will convert it into the unit, for example it's inch and feet, and apply the close. Here you can see 36 decimal value will convert into the 3 feet. Thank you.